Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Ebony. And I'm Erica. And for today's video, we are unlocking secrets from celebrity hairstylists. We've done a few celebrity hair growth secrets videos. I'll have those linked below. But the main common hair theme amongst that video is that they all wear their hair in protective styles. This is mainly due to their busy lifestyle or just the nature of the job. Now, every once in a while, these celebrities will give us like a sneak peek at what they're working with under these protective styles. And surprise, there's a head full of healthy hair underneath it. Now, I'm sure many of these celebs are capable of taking care of their hair. However, some do have like personal hairstylists or just celebrity stylists that they do work with, and these celebrity stylists are the backbone to their long, healthy hair. So we're gonna give you guys some amazing tips from these celebrity stylists and how they keep their celebrity clientele's hair nice and healthy. Okay, so we mentioned that protective style is a go-to for most of these black celebrities, but sometimes the takedown can erase all benefits of that protective styling. So here's what these stylists have to say about avoiding damage when you take down your protective style. All right, so hairstylist Larry Sims, whose celebrity clients include Gabrielle Union, Sanaa Lathan, and Zendaya, he stressed the importance of not leaving in your protective styling for too long. He said if you're wearing a sew-in, you should take it out after 6 weeks, and if you're wearing a lace front, take it out after 2 weeks. He mentions that not only is it unsanitary, but you also run the risk of your hair becoming matted. Another tip is to use small scissors when taking out your protective styles as well, because if you use big scissors, you're more prone to cut out a large section of your own hair. Another tip is to use oil because it gives you slippage and it helps you differentiate between your real hair and the hair you're taking out. Yeah, did you use oil? I did. Actually, if you guys go back to my takedown video of my protective styles, I told it myself. The Dark and Lovely has a full line for protective styles, so they have everything, and at Walmart is where I got it from, but they have a lot of products that help with the takedown. So I used the cream and I also used an oil in it too. So I used a bunch of products, but their products were really good. And if you guys go check out that video, also we'll have those products listed down below too. Yeah. Dark and Lovely. Did you use scissors? No. I didn't use, no, the only time I used scissors was to, because I had really long braids, so I just cut the braids so we don't have to unbraid all the way to the end. So you didn't have to worry about cutting your hair. Yeah, I made sure it was a super long braid. Yeah, those braids were super long, and I made sure I wasn't going to be cutting my real hair, so I only just cut it to like maybe here, which I knew my real hair probably was going to be up here one day. Also, side note, we actually worked with Larry Sims a while back. I think it was like 2018 when we did like a hair segment, a relaxed hair segment for a blog called, I think it was called Unruly Hair. Unruly Hair, yeah. Yeah, and I really love the high ponytail he gave me. Yeah, he gave me this super high bun. Yeah, the highest bun I've ever had. He worked fast too. Right. Yeah. I'm like, dude, it takes me forever to get this. It was sleek and slick too. It only took him like, I would say about 10 minutes, if that. Yeah, if that. Yeah, he definitely knows his stuff. Yeah. Another protective styling tip comes from celebrity stylist Yene Damtew. Now, she has recently blown up due to her styling Michelle Obama's hair for the inauguration. Now, she gave this tip a while back in an interview, but she said that when you take out your protective style, you should detangle after that, like right before you shampoo. Just detangle while the hair is dry. And then she said the next best time to detangle is after the shampoo when your hair is wet. I feel like this is common knowledge for most people, but for some people maybe not. But she did say it's best to detangle with a wide tooth comb, or another device she likes to use is the Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush. Now, speaking of Felicia Leatherwood, she's also a celebrity stylist. Her clients include Issa Rae, Jill Scott, and Yara Shahidi. When it comes to perfecting your wash day routine, her tips include using shampoo directly on your scalp before any water or lather happens. She says this helps the detangling process while getting rid of buildup. You never heard of that? No. And going back to Yene Damtew, her wash day tips include not to improvise when it comes to instructions on your hair product. For example, when it says to rinse out, you should actually rinse it out, not use it as a leave-in. I know some people do that. Conditioner is usually like a little bit more heavier than like a leave-in, so I feel like the product will probably weigh our hair type down. Yeah, I don't know how people do that.
Yeah, I know a lot of naturals do that.
Yeah. Maybe they do it for holding purposes. I don't know. I just know it wouldn't work for my hair. Now, right now, you guys are probably on YouTube searching for ways to maintain your hair in the winter. Now, moisturization and hydration, two different things, by the way. Those need to be key benefits in the products that you use. Ray Christopher, he's a celebrity stylist as well. His clients include Adrienne Bailon and Scott Jackson. He says the BioSilk Therapy Drops is a product he will almost always use on his clients. He says this product is good for hydration and protecting your hair as well. Yeah, we used to use BioSilk, you know, right when we came to LA.
Yeah, that was definitely in our routine.
Yeah, I really love BioSilk. BioSilk was definitely a staple in our routine. Lisa used it on her hair and it was amazing. And if your hair has succumbed to dryness, Felicia Leatherwood has these mask recommendations. She loves the Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrate Hair Mask and Alodia Nourish and Hydrate Deep Conditioning Mask. She says these are great restorative deep conditioners and you should use them 20 to 30 minutes either bi-weekly or every week. So when it comes to hair care ingredients that help nourish your hair, Ursula Stephen, she's a celebrity hairstylist. Her clients include Rihanna, Rita Ora, Laverne Cox. She says to avoid hairsprays and any kind of product that has any alcohol in it. Two ingredients that she recommends are shea butter and coconut, which, by the way, we can't argue with her there because we love those products for our hair. We love coconut oil, shea butter, especially shea butter right now. Alright, so next up is Kimble, and a lot of you guys have heard of her as her clients include Angela Bassett, Beyonce, Tia Mowry. And actually many of her styles can be seen in Beyonce's visual albums, Lemonade and Black is King. In a past interview, she mentions ingredients that she loves to make into an elixir, and all these ingredients can be found in the kitchen. She loves oils like castor oil, olive oil, and avocado oil. She likes eggs. It's good for protein and strengthening. And apparently oatmeal is good for moisture. A DIY hair mask favorite of hers is mixing egg and wheat germ together. Yeah, I never really thought to use wheat germ as a hair mask, but you know, we love a good DIY anyway. I hope you all learned some good tips from this video, any valuable information. It's actually pretty interesting to kind of get a perspective on like the hands behind the hair. Yeah, because a lot of these stylists actually educate their clients so that they're able to do their hair at home. But yeah, we'll definitely have everything linked below so you guys can check that out. Thank you guys for watching and we'll see you guys next week. Bye!